To prepare the sauce, we will slice up these onions. And mince the garlic. And let's head over to the oven. In a hot pan, add some oil. And our onions and garlic. And just cook these up until the onions are translucent. And then add the tomato sauce. Turn the heat down to minimum and let it simmer for about half an hour.